The Hiligaynon word kita means to see or to meet. Kita. Kita. Nakita ko siya sa plaza. It means that I saw him or her at the plaza. So plaza, siya is he or she, or him or her is gender neutral, and then ko is I. So nakita ko siya sa plaza. Nagakita ay sila adlaw-adlaw. It means they see each other every day. Sila is they, and then adlaw is a day. It can also mean the sun. So adlaw-adlaw, it means every day. Nagakita ay sila adlaw-adlaw. Magakita na lang kita buwas. It means we will just meet tomorrow. Buwas is tomorrow, kita is we. So magakita na lang kita buwas. Nakita mo na bala ang bag-o nga balay? It means, have you seen the new house? Nakita mo na bala ang bag-o nga balay? So, bag-o is new and then a balay is a house. So, have you seen the new house? Nakita mo na bala ang bag-o nga balay? And that is all for our Hiligaynon word. Kita means to see or to meet. Kita. Kita.